welcome back. I'm Pashpika. Welcome to my channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Well, today video we're gonna be talking about Creative Fabrica Spark. Like, there are so many tools in the Creative Fabrica Spark feature that just cost you $9 a month. This video we're gonna be talking about Creative Fabrica Spark. What are the different tools Creative Fabrica Spark has? We're gonna go deep dive into that. So let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you want more such videos. We have a lot of cool free resources. The links are in the description box below. We have the Creative Fabrica two products. One is the Creative Fabrica workbook that will going to help you getting started with Creative Fabrica as a designer, selling, opening up a shop, getting a shop approval. Everything it contains that help me to make thousands of dollars selling my digital products, selling my own art illustration on the Creative Fabrica. The link of this Creative Fabrica workbook is in description box below. The second product I have is a tutorials guide or a beginner's kit that contains step-by-step tutorials on how to get started with the Creative Fabrica that will going to help you get approval on the Creative Fabrica and open up a shop and start selling and making money of that. The link of this particular beginner kit is also description box below. Both the links are in description box below. Let's dive in with today's video talking about this particular aspect of Creative Fabrica Spark, because from a few months Creative Fabrica Spark has been started. I think it was back in the October or November. I'm not sure exactly the dates. I've made a few of the videos about the Creative Fabrica Spark. I'm going to leave those videos in the card section above. If you're completely new, don't know what exactly it is. Basically, it's an AI feature that's going to help you generate art, generate text, a lot of the different stuffs that you could very well use to make your print-on-demand products, to make a digital products, or to even sell on the Creative Fabrica. So let's dive in. Let's talk about that. Initially, that was just the Creative Fabrica Spark. That's an AI art feature in which you're typing a couple of the words or phrases or sentences, and Creative Fabrica is actually generating, using the AI art technology, generating an art from them. In the beginning, I think it was free in the October or November, I'm not sure. But in the beginning, it was not that paid. But when they started it as a free and see that the people were actually taking interest in that, many people joined the platform for the Creative Fabrica Spark and they were started using the platform. So now they are having a subscription which costs around $9 a month. So if you are making a money via the AI art, then I think that going with the paid tool will be very much handy because you are getting the full license. Okay, if you're going with the Canva text to AI art feature, which is free, but the license criteria is not clear, but here the Creative Fabrica license criteria is clear. You are getting the license to your work. You can sell them as a print-on-demand products, digital products, give it to the free to the people, like you hold the rights to that. Or you can use these AI art generated using the Creative Fabrica Spark and sell them on Creative Fabrica itself as a designer. So you can literally make money of these art that you're creating from the AI art, and you're getting the license, amazing license criteria. Now, I know that some of the AI art features or AI art tools are free, but I'm not sure about the license criteria. I've seen a couple of the different other platforms as well offering the AI art feature. And if you're getting a more flexibility in their license and the commercial license and all that stuff, then there is a paid plan. And everyone has the different paid plans. Some is costing you $5, $10, $20, $50 a month, but this one is just the $9 a month. So let's talk about what you are getting in this $9 subscription, the Creative Fabrica Spark, because it's not just a simple AI art tool. It has a couple of the different tools. So one is the Creative Fabrica Spark art feature, which I already covered. Create a stunning artworks by using text to image. Simply describe what you want to see and see the magic happen. Spark art feature to create the text to image art. Okay. The second one you have is the Creative Fabrica Spark patterns. Create repeatable patterns in an instant. Add your own detail to digital papers for easy printing and decorating, which is amazing. If you want to use these patterns, you can use these patterns for selling on the Creative Fabrica as a designer as well, or you can sell them on the Etsy as a digital downloads, digital papers, or you can sell them on the print-on-demand product as well, or making your own digital products or books. Like, sky's the limit in which you can use these products or images for creating and selling online. Okay, the third tool they are having is a Creative Fabrica Spark crystalline feature. Create clean and simple cut files, perfect for creating clip art and elements that are used for designing or die cutting. So if you're into the crafting using a Cricut machines or all that SVG files and cut files, then this is the something it's really amazing for you. You can use the art, okay? You can upload the art and they're gonna make the files ready for your die cutting, for your craft files, which you can sell them, because so many people are selling the digital product as die cut files on the Etsy. And if you're creating the art by yourself or using the AI art, you can make it ready as a die cut file using this particular tool in the Creative Fabrica Spark feature. The fourth feature the fourth tool they are having is a Creative Fabrica Spark Writer. Now, as the name suggests, you would be thinking, is it going to write the blog article? Let's talk about that. Writing captivating copy can be easy. With simple instructions, you can create text for articles, books, advertisements, or greeting cards in seconds. So it's kind of like a similar to the Chat GPT, where you could actually write a couple of the words. They're gonna generate sentences or blog article or the books or the advertisement copies if you are actually creating an advertisement for a company's freelance writing or greeting cards, like if you're creating the cards in general and you want the text for that. So this Creative Fabrica Spark Writer feature is amazing, similar to Chat GPT. Another tool, I think that would be the fifth tool they are having, is a Creative Fabrica Spark Image Mix. So amazing. So create new and unique versions of an existing image you like. All you need is an image file or URL. So you can upload an image file, or you can simply place the link of the file for which you want to create the existing image in a different versions. So you can create a different versions of a particular file if you like in the online space. You want to mix match and create a new version of that, or you can upload your own image file which you have created using the AI art feature, and you want to have a different variations or different versions of that, then this is something is for you. Another tool they are having is the Creative Fabrica Spark Sketch. This is also amazing. Create detailed black and white sketches with a pencil drawn look. Their clear background makes them ideal as decals, stickers, and print-on-demand designs. And also, guys, you can use this Creative Fabrica Spark, the art that you're gonna be using for creating the coloring books. If you're selling the coloring books on the KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing on the Amazon, or even selling as a coloring pages on the Etsy, or even on the Creative Fabric, or anywhere in the online space, you could create the art, you can create the line diagrams or black and white sketches using this particular feature, and then you can sell them as a coloring pages in the online space. So that's also amazing, guys. You can use this to create a line art which can be used in a multiple variety of the different ways if you're selling online. The last feature that I want to cover is the Creative Fabrica Spark Prompt Builder. Now, write great prompts by selecting styles, details in the prompt builder, and use them to create high quality AI images. So you can create a high quality images out of just the prompts. Now, I think you're getting a lot of the tools in just $9 a month, the Creative Fabrica Spark feature. So let me just count how many tools we have covered. You are getting the 7 cool tools in the Creative Fabrica Spark subscription and the Creative Fabrica Spark, which you can actually use for creating your own art, whether for print on demand, for selling as a books, for blog article, freelance writing, for digital products, for any other products that you're creating in the online space and you're selling, then this is something it's really for you. Now, I'm not promoting the Creative Fabrica Spark subscription over here, but my point is that if you are actually using the AI technology to make money online, then I think that this tool is really comes handy, getting so many tools like the 7 cool tools in just $9. And if you're going with some other platforms offering the AI features, then there would be way more costly than this one. That's what I'm saying, guys. Now, the choice is yours if you want to go with that or not, but I think I'm going to go with that beginning with the start with the April, because some of the tools I pretty like. One I like is about the sketching, because I can create a coloring pages out of it. Now, since I am an artist, I can create the art from that, but why not use the technology when we are having the technology over here? Like, you could actually mix match your own art and create a different version. That thing I also like about the image mix. Like, I create my watercolor piece, I create my acrylic art, I'm gonna just upload them as a file over here, and it will going to create a new version or a different version of my art. So that's what also I'm looking into. I'm gonna let you know in the upcoming videos about how I'm actually going with that. But if you want to sell on the Creative Fabrica right now and you want to start with a designer, there is a huge competition. So you need to submit your portfolio. So what you can do, you can create a portfolio of the AI art in the online space wherever you would like to. You can actually apply for Creative Fabrica shop approval, and you can mention that you're interested in selling the AI art that you're generating using the Creative Fabrica Spark as a designer on their platform. Then that would increase your chances as a designer to sell on the Creative Fabrica. Because personally, I did try this stuff and I sent the email to the Creative Fabrica, and they also told me that I already have the 2 shops on the Creative Fabrica. So they told me if I'm interested in the third shop, then I need to have a different variety of the art selling in the third shop. I had to talk with the Creative Fabrica. So if you're actually going with creating a portfolio of the AI art and then selling on the Creative Fabrica, then that will going to help you actually make more money on the Creative Fabrica and also get an approval on the Creative Fabrica as a designer and selling the AI art. And then later on, you could sell your own work as well, not just selling the AI art. You can sell the graphics, the bundles, the fonts, the needlework, the crochet, graphics. Like, you could sell literally anything, but that could help you to get approval fast on the Creative Fabrica. Since you are using their Creative Fabrica Spark feature for creating the AI art, it will going to help you create an amazing portfolio plus getting approval fast on the Creative Fabrica. So that is the thing you could literally do. And let me know your own thoughts about the Creative Fabrica Spark in the comment section below. If you have an experience, are you using its tool, how it actually helping you? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.